stop it, stop that. It's true, stop it. Ah! Stop.
Adjust it the other way, buddy. There you go, that's the way.
Whoa! Ah!
Nice save. Watch out for the castle.
Ah!
Oh, dead.
We could hide it. You see that?
You are.
I dropped it there when I was above there.
And it started flying again.
I made it start flying.
Watch out for the crazy dog. Where'd it go? Oh, very good. Aunt Kathy and Uncle Jack, look at you guys, eh? The perfect gift. Oh, dead. Don't mind all that stuff in the background. That's just some other toys we've been playing with.
Yeah.
There you go. Good adjusting.
It blew the air on my hair.
Whoa. Pretty good flying.
Did like it's kind of you.
See if you can land them.
He's landing it down.
Oh yeah, good landing. Okay, that's enough.